Hey, my couponing friends, here are 10 CVS deals you can do today in order to keep rolling your extra bucks and lower your out of pocket cost. First, grab the Sensodyne Pronamel Kids toothpaste for $4.49. Use the $1 digital coupon, pay $3.49, and get $3 extra bucks. Next, buy 2 Ajax dish soaps during the buy one, get one half off sale. Roll your $3 extra bucks, pay about $2.23, and get $3 back. For Garnier Fructis, buy 2, use the $3 off 2 digital coupon, roll your rewards, pay $2.98, and earn another $3. Next, buy 2 Axe body washes and use the $5 off 2 coupon. Pay $3.98 after rolling your rewards and get $4 extra bucks. Grab 3 qualifying Crest toothpaste. Use the $5 off 3 coupon, pay $2.97 and earn $5 extra bucks. For Listerine, use the $2 digital coupon and your $5 extra bucks. You'll pay $1.99 and get $4 back. Next, buy 2 TRESemmé products. Use the $4 off 2 coupon, pay $5.98 and receive $4 extra bucks. Buy 2 Neutrogena makeup wipes. Use the $4 off 2 coupon, pay $5.98 and earn $6 extra bucks. Then grab 2 Garnier micellar face washes. Use the $3 coupon and your $6 extra bucks. Pay around $5.68 and get $6 back. Finally, buy 2 Garnier Whole Blends products. Use the $3 off 2 coupon, roll your $6 extra bucks, and pay just $1. You'll leave with $3 extra bucks for your next trip. Always scan your products and confirm the coupons in your CVS app before checking out.